Alright, it's Jeff again. It's just piddling around. I thought I'd take a try at trying to true up this fence on my Ryobi table saw. First, I'm going to try loosening these two nuts. See if I can get that square, see if it even moves. You can see how much it's out of true. Oh, it's locked down. Gonna move the front, not move the back. That pretty much trued it up. Now if I can wrench it back down where it needs to be, we'll be fine. Pretty good. That gap is the angle that I'd turn my square at. A whole lot better. Alright, another jump in the right direction.